Hello everyone, welcome back to Meet the Member Series. Today we have with us Allied for Startups. Hello.
Hi, thanks so much for having us.
So please, could you introduce yourself and tell us what your company does?
Yes, of course. So I'm Laura, the Health Project Officer here at Allied for Startups. As a global network of over 50 advocacy associations, we aim to improve the policy environment for startups to innovate and thrive. In 2019, we founded our DTX project, which spearheads our health tech work, and really aims to give digital health startups a seat at the policy table and a platform to navigate regulation that affects them. Health tech entrepreneurs having to face increasingly complex and fragmented European health policy landscapes. And all too often, these innovators have to invest time and resources having to navigate this. And in building a stronger health union, we really ask policymakers to consider startup perspectives and really ensure that innovators feel empowered to bring these transformative innovations to the market.
Sounds really good. And let me ask you, what makes your company stand out from the others?
So we are the global voice of startups in policy and government. Too often, startups have to live by rules that haven't been made for them, and it is crucial to make sure that these startup perspectives are being included in regulations that affect them. And we aim to do exactly that, to tackle the increasing complexity and fragmentation of European health policy. Our DTEX network aims to bring startup needs to the foreground of policy making. But there's still a lot of work to be done, and we want to keep hearing from entrepreneurs from all corners of Europe. So we really encourage startups from Spain and across Europe to really reach out and get involved. Advocacy is a very important field.
What has been your company's biggest success or failure?
Well, let's focus on success here. I think on the health tech front, it's been really remarkable seeing entrepreneurs getting involved in policy and understanding that this is such an important field to be involved in. This may not be on an innovator's first priority when they start their startup, but regulation will soon arrive on the menu. Our DTX network has grown into really a multi-stakeholder and European-wide coalition active in consulting on these European policy files, creating broad thought leadership, sharing best practices, and directly getting involved with policymakers. And we really look forward to seeing what the upcoming years will bring as well.
Sounds great. And what made you join Barcelona Health Hub?
So Barcelona Health Hub is a key ecosystem player in the Spanish and the European health tech space. And we are thrilled to be partners of this organization to really ensure that the Spanish voice is being represented at the European level here in Brussels. It's already been a great opportunity to meet and interact with many of the startups and the partners in your network and to really listen to the incredible voices that are part of this hub. It really has been an enriching experience to hear these different perspectives. And we really do look forward to a close collaboration ahead with Barcelona Health Hub.
And what do you expect from Barcelona Health Hub towards the future?
Yeah, so we're really excited to see Barcelona Health Hub keep this momentum in connecting the health tech ecosystem, whether in Spain and across Europe, through events, reports, thought content, and more. And on the advocacy front, to keep sharing the perspective of entrepreneurs and startups with policymakers, from reimbursement schemes or accessing health data to artificial intelligence and health. We really want to make sure that startups are part of these conversations and part of these regulatory conversations. So we look forward to seeing advocacy as part of Barcelona Health Hub's work.
Is there anything else that do you like to tell us that we haven't asked you?
Well, just thank you very much for your hard work and having invited us to share a bit more about our mission here at Allied for Startups. This is a key platform for us to really bring health tech voices across Europe here in Brussels, where the European Commission, the European Parliament are based. We'll be hosting our DTX Startup Congress, which really brings these voices together in Brussels and bridge these voices at the decision-making table with policymakers and startups and entrepreneurs. So we invite everyone to join us in Brussels on the 25th of January for our DTX Startup Congress to really discuss the future of digital health innovation and startup inclusive regulation. So yeah, we look forward to having maybe some of you join us online or in Brussels in person. But thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us today.
Thank you so much for your time and for this interview. Nice to talk to you, Laura. Bye.
Bye, thank you.